connectivity to elected officials themselves for young folks. When I was growing up, you probably knew who the president was. You might know your senators, maybe your governor, but beyond that, politics was this faraway thing. And as a young person, you're probably inspired by athletes or maybe an actor. But there are some folks in DC, charming, charismatic folks. When I was young, I don't know if I would have had access to someone like a Katie Porter, who blew all of our collective minds. And I think it's a nice opportunity to show some young folks these people who have dedicated their lives to be of service in civics. And I think it can inspire a new wave of people in a way that those young folks maybe didn't have access to 20, 30 years ago.